Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious pumpkin pie in Cookingdom. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 1½ cups of fresh pumpkin puree, 1 pre-made pie crust, and a blend of spices. Don't forget 2 large eggs and 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk for that creamy texture. This combination ensures a rich, authentic flavor that everyone will love. Getting these ready is the first step to a perfect pie. Now let's create that irresistible pumpkin pie filling. In a large bowl, combine your pumpkin puree, 1 cup of brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, and a pinch of nutmeg. Whisk in 2 large eggs until everything is perfectly smooth. Finally, slowly incorporate 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, mixing until just combined. This careful blending is key to a silky smooth filling. With your filling ready, it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the pumpkin mixture into your unbaked pie crust. Place the pie on a baking sheet to catch any potential spills. Bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for the initial 15 minutes. Then, reduce the oven temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and continue baking for another 45 to 50 minutes. The edges should be set and the center slightly jiggly, indicating a perfectly baked pie. Once baked, the most crucial step is patience. Let your pumpkin pie cool completely on a wire rack for at least 2 to 3 hours. This allows the filling to fully set and prevents cracking. For the best flavor and texture, I recommend chilling the pie in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours before serving. A slice of this delightful pie, perhaps with a generous dollop of whipped cream, is the perfect treat. Enjoy your homemade Cookingdom pumpkin pie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.